Crikey, mate! There's a big one! Y'all ready to go on a safari? I don't think y'all is Australian at all. Hey everyone, it's your favorite YouTube channel called DareBearLive. I am your host, your safari guide for today, Dare Taylor. Hello, hi, nice to meet you. I am a cosplayer, singer, actress, Twitch streamer, and a little bit of a nerd. Today we have one of everybody's favorite, You Buy, I Try, where I go to my PO box and I open up some goodies for you guys here in a YouTube video. Let's get started. But before we get into the packages, don't forget to check me out on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Those are my 3 free social medias. Be sure to check them out. Leave some love for your safari guide. I would absolutely love that. And don't forget I have a Patreon and an OnlyFans. Patreon is the best place to see behind the scenes from these YouTube videos. Today actually has a behind the scene video, so keep an eye out for that on Patreon. And if you'd like to see just a little bit of my self-shot content, join me on OnlyFans, where I live stream 3 times a month. Now, if you would like to present me with a package for a You Buy, I Try, the PO box is linked in the description down below along with my wish list. So if you would like to see something that I'm interested in, click on that Amazon wish list. Or if you see something online and you've been thinking of me, all you have to do is in the shipping address, put my PO box information. Don't forget to write attention Dare Taylor, and it will for sure hopefully get to me. Let's start opening these packages. Crikey, mate. Let's go. Should I start with this one? Nah, let's start with a different one. What do we have? Start with a little one. All right, ready for the safari, mate? I ripped the paper. Somebody made me a retractable key card. And it's a picture of Carlotta champagne and I. What a fun gift. Okay, cool. Thank you so much. Let's see what else we got. Where'd my scissors go? Ooh, what do we have here? We've got a bunch of stuff. Oh my goodness. There's so many. Who is this from? This is from Adrian. Thank you so much, Adrian. And they're Wicked Weasel bikinis. Wow, that's super cool. Oh my goodness. If you are going to be watching me on Patreon, you're in for a real treat. I will have to open and inspect and see if I can wear any of these on YouTube. All right, I can try this on. This is a top. I'll just wear pasties underneath. Ta-ta! But the others I will save for Patreon. So, y'all wanna see some of these, y'all have to stick around. Or not stick around, y'all have to click the link and join Patreon. Yeah. All right, so this is the swimsuit that I got. And it's very see-through, so I had to throw some pasties on underneath. And I can't show you the bottoms because the bottoms don't really cover anything. So again, if you would like to see me try on this and all the other Wicked Weasel bikinis and see a little bit more of me, all you have to do is check out that Patreon link down below. The $50 tier has all the behind the scenes for you. So yeah, this one's really great. I can't wait to wear this to my next shoot. Let us get to the next package. Yay. Let's try the ASOS one. You know, I never really knew what ASOS was until Moco Coco, which I'm sure this is from him, has sent me a few things from there, so. Oh, there's a lot of things in here. Ooh, floral, I love floral prints. I got a free sample of, what is this, woolite? Yeah, great, I can do some more laundry, thank you. And a pair of sunglasses. I will definitely try those on. Oh, cute. I really like that. Is this a shirt dress? What is this? It does not say, but I'm definitely gonna wear it. That is so cute. Thank you. Ooh, and some tight pants. Wow, look how tiny these are. Think my butt will fit in here? I hope so. Oh, maybe. Maybe that goes with both of them. This looks like a cottagecore themed top. I don't know if you guys remember that video. I did like a testing my aesthetics video, and this one totally kind of reminds me of that. Try on this outfit for you all right now. All right, this is the t-shirt outfit combination with the black leggings down below. This typically isn't something I would normally wear. I usually like to wear my clothes pretty like constricted, form-fitted. I wouldn't say like tight, like they're never like super tight, but definitely not like baggy or flowy like this shirt is. I think it looks good on me. It's definitely like, I love florals. I think it's something kind of fun and casual to wear, maybe like around my house, or if I'm just like running and getting some groceries. I definitely feel like I'm gonna be wearing these pants out and about, and I totally vibe with these sunglasses. Like, look how cute. Alrighty, I'm gonna be right back. And I am back in this billowy white shirt dress. I don't know. I'm not sure what it's supposed to be, but it's by Free People, which is a very expensive clothing brand. And it's this really billowy kind of shirt. Like, it's very like romantic and just really fun. I'm wearing a pair of yellow shorts underneath because I don't think it's a dress. I'm not sure, but I can't tell. So maybe it's a dress, really short dress, and maybe it's a shirt. I don't know. But it's not a bad top. I think it looks good. I just think it needs to be styled correctly, and I'm not sure how to style it. So I'll have to Google some options. In the meantime, next package. Shall we do another ASOS? ASOS? Did I get another? I got another Woolite. Yeah, more laundry. We shall find out. Ooh, are these pajamas? So cute. Look at, adorable. And it comes with little shorts. Thank you so much. I'm assuming this is from Moco Coco because he did say something about an ASOS package. So thank you. I'm so excited to model this for you guys right after this. Okay, these are the very soft and silky pajamas. It is a little top here with a collar, little cuff sleeves, with some cute little buttons down the center, which are very difficult to do, let me tell you that. And then a pair of pretty tight shorts. They look really good on the caboose. They're a little tighter than what I imagined, but I think it looks good. Like, I really like them. I like the color because it's kind of like this cream beige yellow. Like, it's not really loud, it's very mature. So I can definitely see myself wearing this to bed when I'm not feeling like wearing onesies. It's a nice mature, like, I'm going to bed outfit. So you have to let me know what you guys think. I definitely rate this a perfect 10 out of 10 because I love comfy clothes. All right. Next box. This one is from Dane. I'm scared to use this on the box, so I'm just gonna be very careful and cut away from myself. Now that the box is opened, it's called a love bunny. Oh, I had this on my wish list forever. It's a little bunny rabbit light. Oh, cute! He's squishy. And he's got a USB in his bum. Very cute. Thank you for the bunny light. Oh, he's so squishy. Thank you, thank you. Oh, my mouse pad. Oh my gosh. Or not really a mouse pad. It's like the wrist things. I don't hurt my wrists. Thank you so much. Oh, there's getting peanuts everywhere. Oh, the fitness tracker I wanted. Thank you. It's a pretty inexpensive. Let's see if I can open it. Pretty inexpensive like watch that keeps track of your steps every day. It mimics like a Fitbit in a way, but like a cheaper version of a Fitbit. I just don't like big tech purchases without like testing out something inexpensive first and then seeing what I think. It's like, I don't know, cause like I don't like wearing watches and stuff, but oh, look at the mouse pad. That's nice. Oh, it's so squishy. Thank you, Dane. Enjoy your gift from Dane. Aw, so nice. And last but not least, I think we have a Fashion Nova outfit here. Looks amazing. So let's see. Sparkly dress. Oh, and there's some like tissue paper in here. Wow, this looks really nice. Ooh. Okay, I'm definitely gonna try this on for you guys right here and right now. Let's put it on. And last but not least is this very space girl outfit. I feel like this is very, how do I describe this? Like future galaxy girl vibes. Like, ooh, if I was gonna walk the red carpet in 2029 or something. Like, it's very forward thinking space vibes, if that makes any sense at all. It's really nice. I really like it. The only thing I'm not a big fan of is this kind of band around my waistline. Like, I think it kind of, it throws it off a little bit, but I still like it. I will definitely wear this for the Miss Bikini pageant because I think it looks great on me. It's a good fit. Love the sequins. I like the high neckline with the low back. It's just phenomenal. Great outfit. Probably rate it like a 9 out of 10. Yeah, around there, because it's good. I like it, but I'm not like in love with it, if that makes any sense. All right, everyone, thank you all so much for watching this You Buy, I Try. I really appreciate you guys going out of your way and buying me some amazing things this round, so thank you all so much. Just a little forewarning, my birthday is in July. I know that's pretty far away, but if you did want to get me a birthday present, this is the best time to start saving up your money if that's something you're interested in doing. Again, I don't expect anything. It's just if you would like to get me a birthday present, my birthday is July 9th, so I'm going to be collecting You Buy, I Try packages. We're open until my birthday, so that we have a bunch of things to open. So thank you all so much. Don't forget to check out Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter if you'd like to see me on my free social medias. And don't forget to check out my Patreon and OnlyFans. Link is the top pinned comment. So all you have to do is scroll down to the comment section and it should be right there. Click on those links, check me out on there, and I will see you all in the next YouTube upload. Bye. Cut.